Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 4 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 10 prepositions. Okay, so here turn page number 70. So here circle the prepositions in the story below. So here Raman had a test at school. Okay, so you have to circle at. It was at 10 a.m. Okay, so here again at, before time we use at. 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, the part of the day, like in the evening, in the morning, we use in. Every day he walks to school. So here to. Today he decided to take his bicycle and ride through the park. So here through. Okay, the park. Here through. Then next, it would be shady beneath the trees. Here beneath. Okay, he would feel cool under the shade. So here under. He thought he would reach school on time. So here on. As the distance was short, the park is actually between his house. So here between and the school, but only walking is allowed inside the park. So here inside. He rode on his bicycle to here on, into, here into the park. A child was running around a tree, to here around. Raman bumped into the child, to here into, and both fell down. Okay. The child screamed. Everyone near them came running, to here near, and scolded Raman. Raman said sorry to all, to here to, and quickly pedaled out of the park. To here out of. Clear? Then next year you were standing in a bank when some robbers suddenly rushed in. Report to the police what you saw. Use the correct preposition from the ones given in brackets. So here police. Where were you when the robbers came to the bank? Okay. So here you have to use it to. You. I was standing in a queue to deposit some money. Okay. So here in. Police. How many robbers were there? You. There are 2 robbers. They came in at 12:30 p.m. To here at. Police. What did the robbers do first? You. They first came to counter number 6. Okay. To here 2. One of them snatched a key from an officer. To here from, and put in his pocket. Okay. Then police. Where did they go then? You. They rushed past the people into the manager's office. Okay, so here into. Police. How did they escape? You. They made their escape by jumping through. Okay, so here through. This is a medium. Okay, through a window and jumping over the gate. Okay, so here over. Clear? Then next here. Fill in the blanks below. Choose the correct preposition for each blank. Put a cross where no preposition is required. So here she lives in Dehradun. So before big countries, cities we also use in. Okay, in Dehradun. I am going to work. Okay. Then next, the bridge goes over the river. So here over. Okay. We took a ferry across the river. So here across. Then next, I will see you on Tuesday. Before the name of the days we use on. Okay, on Monday, on Tuesday. Next, she drove through the tunnel to reach the next town. So here through. Then next year, Dad went outside. Third one, to find out what the noise was about. Many books and papers are lying around the room. Okay, so here you have to preposition around. Then next here, the people in the flat below are very noisy. Okay, are very noisy. Then next, the train is at. Okay, so here at. Third one, Minisha lives. We use no preposition. Okay, so here no preposition will be used. You have to make a cross here. Minisha lives downstairs. Then next, Biju lives dash the top floor. Okay, on the top floor. Clear? Then next read the poem given below, underline the prepositions in it. Mark prepositions of time, place and movement as T, P and M. So here before my wandering eye, so here before time, okay. I see a twinkling star off in the night sky. So here off okay, place. It flickers between many more stars. So here between place. And doesn't fade into the darkness far. Into means here movement. The other stars flicker so bright. So here there is no preposition. From the evening into the night, from, that means it is a time, okay, and then into the night, this is movement, okay, T and M. Hundreds of them move across the sky, across, this is movement. Some towards dawn, towards, this is also movement, okay. I sit beneath a tree, so beneath, this is a place. Then next, that my star is just a speck in the sky. This is, okay, preposition of place. Clear? Then next here some expressions take a fixed preposition. Okay, so you have to follow these rules. Okay, here to be afraid of, afraid of something. I am not afraid of ghost. Okay, to be angry with somebody. Okay, somebody means here person. My mom gets angry with me. If they're like to be angry about something, you can use here about, okay, not with. To be bad at something, I am not bad at playing tabla, okay. Bad at, good at, not bad in, okay, not bad, good in, good at, bad at. To be good at something, Ramesh is good at singing. To be interested, interested in, okay, I am interested in English, I am interested in mathematics, I am interested in sports. I am interested in cricket. To be kind or nice to somebody, we should be nice to our guest, okay. To smile at somebody, my friend smile at me, okay. Then next, to ask for something, he asked for a glass of water. Clear? So now you have to use the preposition here. Use correct prepositions from the box to fill in the blanks. So here, the teacher was angry, somebody, okay. As you read in the previous page, okay, if there is angry with somebody, then we have to use with. So here boy, okay, the teacher was angry with the boy. Then next, Ifran has no interest in video games, okay. Interest in. I am interested in English. I am interested in cricket. Okay, interested in cricket. Then next, Akram is very good at science. Okay, good at, not good in. My sister is angry with me. Okay, the baby smiled at me. One should always be kind to others. Okay, Harish is good at history. Then next, my brother is really bad at singing. The next year, an old man stopped me and asked about an address. Okay, about. The next, I am afraid of ghost. Clear? I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.